Today we will discuss paracetamol poisoning. Paracetamol is also known as acetaminophen. Paracetamol is a metabolite of phenacetin, which is a non-narcotic analgesic and antipyretic. Mode of action क्या है? Normally in therapeutic dose, its metabolite N-acetyl P-benzoquinine is detoxified by glutathione. In overdosage, glutathione stores are depleted, and toxic N-acetyl P-benzoquinone is covalently bind to hepatocyte and cause severe liver damage. Fatal dose of paracetamol is 10 gram and fatal period is 5 days. Sign symptoms of paracetamol poisoning is uh, divided into 4 stages. First of all, gastrointestinal stage, which lasts for first 24 hours. In this, sign symptoms are anorexia, nausea, vomiting and epigastric. Second stage is latent stage, which lasts for next 24 hours. During this period, all symptoms disappear and patient feel relief. Then third stage start, which is stage of hepatic failure. It lasts for 3 to 5 days. Sign symptoms in this stage are vomiting, jaundice, GIT, hemorrhage, cerebral edema, renal tubular necrosis, and death may take place in this stage. After this, fourth stage start. This is stage of recovery. If treatment is done in time, the patient goes in stage of recovery, and complete recovery occurs in 2 to 3 months. Diagnosis of the paracetamol poisoning. The paracetamol poisoning can be diagnosed by level of acetaminophen in the blood, and it also can be diagnosed with Drew Matthew normogram, in which we draw the amount of acetaminophen or paracetamol in blood with passage of time, and we draw a graph as shown in the diagram. If level of the paracetamol is lower than blue line, then it shows that no treatment is required. If the level is above red line, then we start treatment of the patient immediately. Treatment of the paracetamol. First of all, we'll do gastric lavage with warm water. Then we give antidotes, which are oral methionine and cysteamine. Dose of oral methionine is 10 gram in 24 hours over 4 doses. Damage is given within 10 hours. Or cysteamine 1 gram IV in 10 minutes and 400 milligram in 5% dextrose over 4 to 8 hours. Other antidote which is specific antidote for paracetamol poisoning is N-acetylcysteine. It is specific antidote of choice, orally given at 140 milligram per kg body weight in 3 days, followed by 70 milligram per kg every 4 hours over 20 hours. इसके अलावा IV इलेक्ट्रोलाइट एंड डिहाइड्रेशन को करेक्ट करते हैं, विटामिन के फॉर ब्लीडिंग टेंडेंसी एंड मैनिटॉल फॉर सेरिब्रल एडिमा हम पेशेंट्स को देते हैं. पोस्टमार्टम फाइंडिंग्स. एक्सटर्नली सबसे पहले हमें जॉइंडस मिलेगा एंड स्मॉल पेटिकियल हेमरेजेस ऑन द स्किन ऑल ओवर द बॉडी। जब बॉडी को ओपन करेंगे तो हमें कंजेशन ऑफ जीआईटी, हेपेटिक निक्रोसिस, acute tubular necrosis ऑफ द किडनी, सेरिब्रल एडीमा और अदर फाइंडिंग्स हमें मिलेंगी इसमें। मेडिको लीगल इम्पोर्टेंस, इट इज यूज्ड एज एंटीपायरेटिक एंड एनाल्जेसिक। यूजुअली पॉइजनिंग इज एक्सीडेंटल ड्यू टू द मिसकैलकुलेशन इन चिल्ड्रन, कि पेरेंट्स कैलकुलेट नहीं कर सकते उसकी डोज को, तो मिसकैलकुलेशन की वजह से उसकी पॉइजनिंग हो सकती है। However, suicidal tendencies are also noticed with paracetamol poisoning. Homicidal poisoning is rare.